Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this look using the Morphe and James Charles palette. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, make sure you keep watching. But before we get into the video, if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell so that you can get notifications when I post. And if you're returning to my channel, thank you for sticking with me. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna start by priming my eyelids, and I'm gonna be using the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumor 2. I'm gonna take the shade You're Kidding, and I'm gonna put that right kind of the inner crease area. That's where I'm gonna focus that color at. And this color is a really red, like a true red eyeshadow, so I'm going to just build up the color to see how red I can actually get it to be. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this yellow color. It's called B, and I'm gonna take that right above there and right on this area here. Okay, so next in the outer crease, I'm gonna take the shade Social Blade, and that's a really bright green color. I'm gonna blend that out right here at the edge. This blue shade that is called Playground, and I'm going to blend that right in the outer corner below that green shade. Okay, next I'm going to take my eyeshadow base again, and I'm going to cut my crease for the crease. I'm gonna pack this blue shade one more time on the outer corner area. This purple shade that's called Single, and I'm gonna pack that shade right next to the blue. Now I'm gonna pack this pink shade that's called Skip. It's a really bright pink, like super duper bright. That's what that looks like. I'm gonna pack that right next to the purple. Wow. And lastly, we're gonna take the shade 518. It's a really bright orange color, and I'm gonna pack that on the inner portion next to the pink. So that one looks like. Honey, I am shook. Shook F. These colors are beautiful. Yes, ma'am. Yes. I'm gonna do the other eye real quickly off camera, then I'm gonna finish my face and come back to finish everything up. Okay, now for the under eye, I'm gonna take all the same colors in the same orders, starting with Playground. And I'm just gonna blend those out in the bottom. And I'm gonna take that yellow and I'm gonna place that right on the inner corner. Now I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Emeraldy highlighter and put that right on top of the yellow. And I just popped on some lashes. I'm gonna put some mascara on the bottom lashes. And this is the final look.